listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more.
Number 1. Meeting new friends.
Hi, I am Shakib Khan.
Hi, I am Rose.
Nice to meet you, Rose.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. I am still learning my way around.
I can show you around, if you did like.
That would be great, thank you.
No problem. So, what do you like to do?
I like reading and hiking. How about you?
I like sports and movies.
Cool. What is your favorite movie?
I love action movies. What about you?
I like comedies. They make me laugh.
Me too. Maybe we can watch a movie sometime.
That sounds fun. Let's plan it soon.
Great. It was nice meeting you, Shakib Khan.
Nice meeting you too, Rose. See you soon.
See you.
Number 2. Do you remember me? Hi, excuse me. Do you remember me?
Oh, hi. You look familiar. Are you from my English class?
Yes, I am Shakib Khan. We sat next to each other.
Oh, Shakib Khan. Now I remember. I am Rose.
Yes, I remember. How have you been, Rose?
I have been good, thanks, and you?
I am good. It's nice to see you again. It's been a while.
Yes, it has. How is your English?
It's getting better. I keep practicing. How about you?
Same here. I practice every day.
Do you still go to the English class?
No, I finished last year. Are you still taking classes?
Yes, I am in the advanced class now. It's a bit harder.
That's great. I might join that class too. Is it good?
Yes, the teacher is helpful, but there is a lot of homework.
I don't mind homework. It helps me improve.
True. Do you study with anyone?
Sometimes, I study with friends. Do you?
Yes, I study with the friends. It helps a lot.
Maybe we can study together sometime.
I did like that. It would be fun to practice together.
Yes, let's plan for next week.
Perfect. Let's exchange numbers.
Great, here's my number.
Thanks. I will text you soon. Nice to see you again, Rose.
Nice to see you too, Shakib Khan. See you next week. Number 3. What did you do yesterday?
Hi Rose, how are you?
Hi, Shakib Khan. I am good, thanks. How are you?
I am good too. So, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the park. It was nice outside.
That sounds fun. Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister. We walked and had ice cream.
That sounds great. Did you stay there long?
We stayed for about 2 hours, then we went home.
Nice. Did you do anything else?
Yes, in the evening, I watched a movie.
See you later, Rose. Bye bye.
Thank you. See you later, Shakib Khan. Goodbye.